Hey guys, welcome back to my Hair Care channel. If you are new here, my name is Tamara Henderson and you are watching Tamara's Hair Care. Please don't be shy. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. We love to have you a part of our Hair Care community. Also, follow me on TikTok at Tamara's Hair Care and on Instagram at Tamara's.haircare. So, as you guys read from the title, this is a 2 months update video after I have used the Mielle organic product and it has damaged my hair severely, resulting in lots of breakage, hair thinning, and really bad hair health and appearance. And this experience have caused me to cut my hair off and start over my hair care journey. For the past 2 months, I have been doing a lot of DIYs to restore and to grow my hair back. And as many of you know, that has been following my hair care journey from day one. Protective style is my best friend when it comes to stretching my relaxer and restoring the health and retain length. Guys, I am currently 6 months post relaxer and I will not be relaxing my hair anytime soon because of the quality of my hair. Many of you guys know me for stretching my relaxer for a long period of time and still retain the length, the health, and the thickness of my hair while stretching my relaxer. But because of my past experience that currently happened with the Mielle product, my hair is extremely damaged and very fragile and really thin. So I will not be relaxing my hair anytime soon. I'm currently just working on the health and the quality and the thickness of my hair before applying any form of relaxer to my hair. For the past 2 months, I have been wearing a lot of protective styles like wigs mainly. So what I did, I cornrow my hair and apply my DIY hair growth oil to my roots and massage it in, and if I need to go out, I wear a wig. And I just keep repeating these steps. Every 4 weeks, I will loose my cornrows out, wash my hair, and I just cornrow it back and apply my growth oil to my scalp almost every night. Not every night, but I try to do it as often as possible. And this is the rosemary and aloe vera growth oil. If you guys haven't seen that video, I made a video on my channel. You guys can check it out. I'll put it in the description below, and I will also add it to the side of the screen right here so you guys can check that out. And this oil has been helping me tremendously, guys. I also made a onion growth oil as well, and that's the one I am currently using at the moment. Not with this cornrow that I'm doing right now, but currently that's the one I am using. I will put the link in the description below, and I will also give you guys an update how it's working out for me. So this is basically my new routine. Wash my hair thoroughly, cornrow, and apply my DIY growth oils to my scalp almost every night, and loose my hair out every 4 weeks or so, wash my hair again and cornrow it, and repeat those steps. So that's like my new routine. I don't wear my hair out. I wear wig, as I tell you guys. I will be braiding my hair soon. And let me know if you guys will be interested in that video when I go and get my hair braided. I have been just trying really hard to restore my hair of its original health and thickness. So that's my main goal for restoring the health and thickness of my hair. As I said to you guys many times, my most important goal is healthy hair, healthy and thick hair, and the length will come. So I'm not worried about the length, I'm worried about the thickness and the health. So that's what I'm currently working on super hard. I have seen many comments stating that the reason why my hair was damaged is because I had in cornrows for 4 weeks and my hair wasn't fully detangled. Wrong. I have been doing this routine many years now, ever since I started my hair care journey. This is how I stretch my relaxer for over 6 months. I relax my hair once or twice a year, and I manage to take very good care of my hair using the same routine, and it has never caused an issue. I will provide a link to the video I did right before washing my hair using the Mielle products below or on the side of the screen. Only thing changed in my routine was using the Mielle products. I always fully detangle my hair before washing, and if you had watched any of my hair care videos in the past, you wouldn't have commented that. I take very good care of my relaxed hair. And that's the reason why I have such long, thick, healthy, relaxed hair. Obviously, I've been doing something right. So please, before commenting all those negative stuff or stuff that's not true, get the facts straight before commenting. Please and thank you respectfully. I also want to say a huge thank you, guys. Thank you to all my supporters that tried to help or even give a few words of encouragement. Your comments are not unseen. You guys have really lifted up my spirit after reading some of the awful comments some people took the time out to write. Thank you guys very much for your understanding and genuine support. And I am very happy to have you guys here on this new journey with me. I am hoping and praying that my videos would be very helpful for you guys as well. Let's grow long, thick, and healthier here together. So guys, this is my hair after 2 months. It's honestly, it's very like soft and it's very shiny because I've been applying the growth oil, and it's not where I want it to be when it comes to the health, but I'm definitely seeing improvement. So I know I am doing something right. So I fully detangle my hair, and this is all the hair that I got out after detangling. And as I said, guys, I am working extremely hard on the health and the thickness. So yeah, there you have it, my 2 months update. Guys, I think I'm starting to love my hair again as well. And you know, when you love your hair feels it. As I always tell you guys, if you love your hair will feel it, and you'll definitely see a difference on your hair care journey. So there you have it, guys, my 2 months update. It's looking like I'm doing something right for sure. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in another video. Bye guys.